Let's cook. Before we start cooking, we need to learn about cooking tools and equipment. This is a cutting board, a knife, a cleaver, a bowl, a pot, a stove, an oven, a pan, measuring spoons, a peeler, a whisk, a measuring cup. Now let's learn some verbs. This action is cut. Chop, slice, peel, stir, mix, pour, add, serve. And now let's learn some cooking methods. This method is fry, bake, boil. Today we'll be making vegetable soup. The ingredients we will need are 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of chicken broth, 1 can of tomato juice, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 large potato, 200 grams of fresh green beans, 1 cup of corn kernels, 1 cup of water, 1 pinch of Creole seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste.
Let's make some vegetable soup. Step 1. Slice the carrots. Step 2. Chop the green beans, celery, and potato. Step 3. Pour the water into a large pot. Step 4. Put all the vegetables, chicken broth, and tomato juice into the pot. Step 5. Add salt, pepper, and Creole seasoning. Step 6. Bring to a boil. Step 7. Simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. Step 8. Serve hot and enjoy.